Learn how to generate grid or zonal-based points and routes for soil sampling in GeoPard. Get started by selecting sampling plans from the sidebar to manage or create new plans. Select one or multiple fields to generate sampling plans. Use search filters if needed. Select sampling plan options, including grid or zone-based, core or composite sampling type, optimal distance path or zone-by-zone moving, point placement logic. We recommend to use AI-powered GeoPard smart sampling logic to cover field variability. Number of points per zone and grid, sampling depth, type of agrochemical analysis. Click Select Zones, Maps, or Grid, basis of the sampling plan. Select the Zones map or click plus to create a new one. After generating the points and paths, they are displayed on the map. Learn how to edit the start and end points for the sampling plan. Mark a point as starting or end point. The plan has been regenerated taking into account your select of starting and end points. Optimal route has been created. You can also adjust the sequence of sampling zones. Control which grids and zones to sample first. Sequence of zones feature allows you to customizing the sequencing of zones for tailored sampling. Draw a line or mark sequence of zones with point-to-point drawing. Click Regenerate Points to update your sampling locations and route aligned with your drawn sequence of zones. The points and route for sampling plan has been regenerated according to your specified sequence of zones. Grid soil sampling configuration. Manage area, angle, and number of points per grid. Select grid-based option. Set up grid size in acres or hectares, grid rotation angle, number of points per grid, labels naming template for printing and laboratory. Click Generate Points to create points and route. On demand, adjust parameters like number of points per grid. You can also change the angle for grids to make them aligned with field shape and machinery operations. Here you can see 45-degree angle applied. Now you're ready to print stickers for soil lab and bags. In GeoPard, you can flexibly configure label names. Click Print Labels. Select fields, zones, and points to print. Choose label size and adjust template of naming if needed. Check the label preview. You can optionally upload your company logo to appear on stickers. Download the PDF with your labels. You can also print labels from the mobile app. Export KML with route, points, and zones for usage in a third-party software. Customize map elements for a sampling plan. Learn how to show or hide paths, zones, points, and point labels to tailor your map display in the sampling plan interface. Toggle zones, path, points, and labels visibility to hide them on the map. Toggle point labels on the map for a clear and concise sampling overview.